At a beach in Florida, police spotted a group of young people with open alcoholic drinks, an act completely prohibited in March under local regulations. Officers approached the group to check their ages and IDs. Among them, one young man kept arguing and showing a defiant attitude toward the police, turning what was supposed to be a fun beach day into a trip to jail.
Take you at mine. Well, I don't have mine.
Are you 21?
I don't have it on me.
Are you 21?
I don't have my wallet with me though. It's not my wallet.
Are you 21?
I don't have it on me.
I'm asking you if you're 21. Take it out for me. Who's under 21?
I'm not.
I know somebody is.
No.
So here's the deal. You lie to me, you're going to jail. Simple as that. You're not the first people under 21 to drink alcohol. It's not that big of a deal. So I'm going to ask again, who's under 21?
Sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
547.
547.
Open alcohol, pure 60.
Citations, open alcohol containers.
Yeah.
Okay. So what's the deal?
The $118 fine.
$118 fine.
Yeah, it could be $118 per closed can of alcohol. So I reckon you probably have a lot of closed alcohol. So imagine 118 times all that.
Okay.
Or I could take you to jail. So that's the thing.
Okay.
So here's the thing. If you're gonna be honest with me and tell me that who you are, your real age and all that, I won't take you to jail. It's non-criminal. It's a civil citation. It's a civil ticket. It's like a parking ticket. Okay? But if you lie to me about your information, now it's providing false name to law enforcement. Now it's obstructing justice. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. No, my buddy in my fraternity is a police officer in Tennessee.
Cool.
Yeah. But
are you like the lawyer of the group, or?
No.
Okay,
I'm just questioning because my best friend is exactly where you are.
Badge talks about it.
That's why I was just like,
It does.
I mean, we're just trying to.
What'd you say?
Nothing, sir.
What'd you say about the badge? Makes you what?
Said talks a lot.
Talks a lot?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You understand you're committing a crime?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I mean, you can say I am. I'm not.
So what can we do to get you out of here?
Excuse me?
Like respectfully, like
what can you do to get me out of here?
Yeah,
like
I can take him to jail, I can take her to jail, and then we'll leave.
But for what?
Sit down. I'm not talking to you. You didn't have alcohol. I addressed him, and I'm addressing her. So go away. You can't also vape on the beach. I'll take that. Thank you.
That's
go
just
away.
not. No. I can call my mom up right now. You want to call my mom? Call my mom. 45. No, 45. I get my mom on the phone right now.
Your who?
My mom. My mom.
Who's your mom?
My mom? You want to find? You can call my mom. You can find out my mom. Right? This little black hole?
She changed herself.
Sure did.
Don't worry. We are not trying to do all this. We're just trying to figure out what you guys want.
What we want? You're making it like we're bothering you. You're acting like.
But what you guys want? So
comply with what I'm saying. You're saying what can I do to get me out? What can we do to get me out of here?
Yeah.
No, we're not doing that. We're not doing that. We're not playing these games. Listen to your girl. Shut up. This is Florida. Where are you guys from?
South Carolina.
Yeah, this ain't South Carolina. This is Florida. Let's go.
You're bad. You know, like I said, sir, the badge speaks a lot.
Yeah. This is what it says. Sit down. Can't stand.
No, it's just.
That looks dope. Can you show it to your mom? Yeah,
She'd be proud.
She'd be very proud.
Sure. You can think of.
Stop.
Okay. I have your ID. Have her come over here. Need my wallet? ID?
Yes.
Man,
Okay.
water's break.
What is your first?
You know that. Please. 11/29, 1999.
Can I see what you're drinking?
I still have it. I do have my ID on me. I know it's not okay here though.
Okay.
Did you have a middle name on your life?
It is a vodka seltzer.
Yeah, anything out of here.
$5.
Do you have any more property?
Nah.
Our friend over here.
I don't know.
Well, he's going to jail. Does he have a phone? Does he have a wallet? I made it very clear when I walked up what the consequence was.
Yeah.
You want to play get
So-
listen. It's actually funny because scientifically, females mature more than males, and it's actually true in this scenario. I got two girls, stopped for the same thing, and they're being respectful, nice, not giving me issues. I got guys argue with me. What can we do to get you out of here? I'm not playing that game. Okay, so I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to them. I asked if he has any property or stuff that needs to go with him to jail. Okay, if there's not, go away. Let me deal with them, and then we'll continue on.
Where's his eye?
Hey, well, make that.
Find you later. You'll be all right.
It's the golf. It's the golf boost.
The other problem.
Who's the golf?
The other problem is I can't identify you without ID. So I just want to. That's fine. So you're detained. I can't. You could say you're John Smith. You know what I'm saying? So.
You'll be all right.
I don't even have my thing. It's at the house in Orlando.
That's what I'm saying.
You asked for it.
It is. I sure did.
You definitely did.
Give me a sender, bro. I mean, you can't.
You have handcuffs on?
Yeah.
For real?
Are they comfortable?
No, that's bad. I mean,
So people who flip out about them
They didn't
are
tighten it up
overreacting.
too much.
I mean, I'm tight.
Should have shut your mouth. That's what happened.
I told you, Ethan.
I thought that was pretty.
Mama would beat your ass.
You want to flip?
She would beat your butt.
You did? Here, Bella, can you move out there? Get the.
But guys, it's not that funny. Can I go with him? That's okay.
So, is he going to jail? Go there and call somebody. What do we have to do?
Probably pay a fine, get him out.
Yeah.
That's what it
We've
is.
seen
Get a
the
bounce
cop.
man. So he should be out by today.
By today. So, do we have to go somewhere and find him?
Just to let you know, so right now he's detained. We're gonna identify him first because he doesn't have ID.
Right.
And then he'll probably go a separate way. He might get a court date. He might go to jail.
So
he
he's
might
not
not.
actually arrested. He's just
He is right now. He's
Oh,
detained right
okay,
now.
okay.
Okay.
Just shut up and you'll be
All
fine.
right.
think we need
Just
to
to
do?
let you know, his mouth got him into handcuffs.
There you go.
Thank you so much.
That's what I told him.
Yeah.
We told him that.
You know. Do you really think that we want to waste our time about alcohol out here?
We,
In the sun, in my freaking Batman suit.
It's probably a little warmer in that.
Yeah,
No, I
it's a
get
little
it.
warm. So,
and I know.
things like this.
It's your job. I know.
It's not for wasting your time.
Ethan.
Hey, Ethan. Hey, for real. Wait, no, for real. For real, just be quiet because you're not under arrest. Just don't even say it.
If I were you guys, I wouldn't even post that picture
No,
because you guys are young. So who knows what career choice you guys want to pick later on? And then if they find that might hinder you in the future, residences.
Trust me, I'm
So
trying to tell them that.
maybe keep that within yourselves and the family. Don't really post it on social media because it's pretty easy to find. Okay?
I just wanted to make fun of him, that's all.
I get it. It's all funny now, but when you guys get older, you'll see it's kind of dumb,
That's so sweet. For real.
I know, surprising you deleted it all.
I understand.
Well, you lied about your name? And date of birth? Girl.
You can't have your phone. It's up to whatever they... Talk to them. I'm not judging.
You're not. Babe.
Hey.
I literally said to her, she's going to
Relax. You see these videos online. Just don't talk to me. You do what you say. You're fine.
want to drink alcohol. I think I've been wanting to say here. You got to talk to your lawyer. Okay? I literally asked you 3 times. Are you on?
We were asking, where's your phone and your wallet? And nobody wants to bring it out. Where's your phone at?
I literally gave you every opportunity To be honest with me, I can't give you
Where's his phone? Yeah, so he can come with them. Yes, you're gonna need that. How much you got to drink? Yeah, pretty decent amount.
to be honest with you.
Yeah, I could tell. Where's your phone at?
And I'd say you're not the first person on the team that got this.
It might be my dad.
Okay.
If not, it doesn't matter.
We're going to Pinellas County Jail. You'll be allotted 3 phone calls when you get there. And then
Like I said before, you're not the first.
they might be able to bond you out before you even get actually put into a cell. So we'll see. The one thing I'm gonna let you know right now, and don't lie about your name or your date of birth. Okay?
Why is it? Of course, like the one time you need someone to answer, they go easy. Hello?
Okay.
For right now, yeah. For right now.
It's just
We're not inconvenient. Like, we're literally leaving tomorrow.
The thing is,
It's inconvenient.
it's not even just inconvenient. It's just why do we slap anything? If this is like
We're like the most innocent people possible. We drink.
we're like it's just
We do one thing, and that's what gets us. But, okay, so
like the thing
I
is,
do have a question.
Yep.
So a lot of people that you see that are very underage who do that, and then you're the one targeted. Is there a reason, or is it just because, you know?
No, it's not a reason. Just to let you know, first and foremost, we don't have enough cops.
Oh,
Second, this is not our first group for today.
right.
Okay? So we get that a lot. Third, it just depends on your attitude and how you respond to the cops. If you give them this attitude, give them the slip, then most likely you're going to leave like this.
Yeah, of course.
You know,
But
so-
the thing is, is this not just come off as a warning? Is this?
I get it. I get you're not.
I know, but sir, like it's
But
just.
right now, I'm not in charge of this situation.
I know, but sir, don't say it's just. This is just not. It's just not.
So traumatizing.
I know.
These poor kids, like, it just kills me.
Okay. Right
Goes in
there.
the nose.
I'll sit in the back.
Let's just buckle them up.
Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna need you to sit back on this seat right here. I need you to look that way, please and thank you. I got bit once. I want to get bit again. Okay.
Oh, I'm not crazy. You serious?
You're gonna catch an elbow. Understand?
I deserve it. If I bitch,
I can't help what you do.
that's crazy. You got bits?
Yeah.
Is it like a homeless dude or?
The dude was super drunk. He bit me, so
It is not.
he
It's
caught an
not
elbow
your
though.
No. What is?
I'd rather get bit than elbowed. I cannot find your phone.
It depends, unless.
If you ever fallen over the side of the jail,
Are you SWAT too?
Yes, sir.
My cousin's SWAT in Westminster. I don't know if you know Maryland.
No, I don't really know much about Maryland. All right.
get it back for her.
In the end, what was meant to be a fun day at the beach turned into a hard lesson about responsibility and respect for the law. If they had simply followed the rules and cooperated with the officers, everything could have ended peacefully with just a warning. But because of stubbornness and arrogance, they now face criminal charges and a ruined vacation. This story reminds us all, breaking the law, even in small ways, can have serious consequences. Respect and honesty are always the best choices. They cost nothing, but can save you everything. If you found this story meaningful, leave a comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real-life stories with valuable lessons.